इंडियन पोलीस मित्र भारत इंटरनॅशनल अवॉर्ड श्रीलंका 2026 emergence as a symbol of India-Sri Lanka friendship. The Indian Police Mitra Bharat International Award Sri Lanka, jointly organized by T.S. Rathod Foundation, Circuit Bench Foundation and Marshal Academy, was held with great enthusiasm on 6 February 2026 at the Swami Vivekananda Culture Center located at the Indian Embassy in Sri Lanka. This prestigious international award ceremony was organized to honor individuals who have made outstanding contribution in the field of social service, education, yoga, martial arts, police mitra services, sports, and national interest at an international level. Hosting this program at the Indian Embassy reflects the strong and friendly diplomatic relation between India and Sri Lanka. It is considered a matter of global recognition for humanitarian work carried out by Indian social organizations. Through this event, the work of Indian social activities, trainers, social institutions, and the Police Mitra movement is being highlighted on an international platform. A total of 25 awardees from India and Sri Lanka were selected for this honor. From India, awardees included Saroj Phadke, विलास माने, दिलीप सेनगर, सुमन देसाई, वैद्य डॉक्टर गुंडोपंत सुतार, डॉक्टर बिलिया पाटील, डॉक्टर सुरेश राजोबा, भाग्यश्री वर्तक, डॉक्टर अरुणा घोलप, डॉक्टर अंजली चिंचोलीकर, बाबासो कांबळे, दशरथ तुपसुंदर, बॅडी तांगावकर, डॉक्टर संजय गिरीबुवा, मोदिता हॉलिडे. From Sri Lanka, the award was conferred upon Dr. N.K.S. Thiruchelvam, Dr. Subhashini Padyanathan, Dr. Indrani Pereira, Dr. Viknavarni Selavnathan. 85 years old Yoga Guru Ratnapallai Kaliyugav, Shivram Krishnan, Vyas Kalyan Sundaram in recognition of their invaluable social contribution. The program was guested by Swami Purnananda Giriji as the chief guest, Padmasri Uday Deshpande and Yamunaji Ganesh Ligma, President of the Sri Lanka India Society and the Colombo Young Women's Hindu Association. Successful organization. The entire international ceremony was successfully organized and guided under the leadership of Dr. Suresh Rathod, Chief Officer, Indian Police Mitra Bharat, Executive Editor, Dainik Rokthok, Kolhapur, and Mrs. Minal Renvikar, a renowned international social worker and social activist. The program was epically and thoughtfully anchored by Dr. Anjali Chincholikar. Additionally, Dr. Vaibhav Patil, Gajanan Desai, and several other distinguished dignitaries from India and Sri Lanka were present, adding grandeur to the event. This award ceremony proved to be a source of renewed inspiration for the award recipients to continue their dedicated work for the welfare of society, a sentiment widely expressed across all sections.